Does this mean I have to get up and get you lot breakfast? Yeah? Does it? Or are you happy just chilling out up here with me? Don't know how long Donkey was here, but he was up here when I woke up, wasn't he? And the rest of you just followed. Then there was Alfie. Then third was Meggie. And lastly was you, wasn't it, Dennis? Eh? Dennis, you handsome boy. Meggie! Meggie! Oh, Maggie's going. And so's Donkey. Wonky Donkey. And just left with Dennis and Alfie. Oh, what's Donkey doing? Is he coming back or is he staying? Staying gone. Dennis, you're a lovely boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Do you want me to get up and get you a breakfast? Do you? Hey? Oh, Dennis, you give me kisses. Give me kisses, Dennis, you handsome boy. What do I deserve this for? Is it just because you love me? Is it? You're a lovely boy, Dennis. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I thought it was you up here. When I moved my arm over when I was still half asleep and I found Donkey there, I thought it was you because he's got a nice softy little patch here just like you. But Donkey doesn't normally sleep on the bed all night, does he? No, he's not normally there when I wake up in the mornings. That's why I thought it was you. But no, it wasn't you, it was Donkey. You're a lovely